all are aware of the current situation, but the thing we are not is easy susceptibility of infections during monsoons. A healthy diet and home-cooked food will absolve us to most of our worries, but taking extra care to eliminate any chance of contamination. Welcome to UBHEALTHY. We are counting our picks on 10 immune boosting foods. If you like such videos, just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Now let's get started. Number 1. Eggs and pulses. Being very good source of protein, eggs and pulses build immunity that is needed in fighting against cold and cough. Number 2. Seasonal fresh fruits. Monsoon fruits including cherries, Indian blueberries, peaches and plums are rich in antioxidants and vitamins and hence build immunity to fight with diseases. Number 3. Nuts. Walnuts, almonds and dates are rich source of energy and antioxidants, further ensuring immunity. Number 4. Turmeric milk. Everyone is familiar with antioxidant properties turmeric milk. A glass of turmeric milk does wonders in fighting against common infections. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea contains only a small amount of caffeine, so you can enjoy it as an alternative to black tea or coffee. Drinking it strengthens the immune system. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Most of us turn straight to vitamin C after we have caught a cold. That's because it helps to build our immune system to increase the production of white blood cells which fights with diseases. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. It adds a little zing to the food and it's a must-have for your health. Every civilization recognized in its value fighting infections. Its immune-boosting properties seems to come from sulfur-containing compounds such as electrons. Number 8. Ginger. Ginger is another ingredient. Many turn to ginger after falling sick. Getting it may help to reduce sore throat and inflammation illness. Ginger may help with nausea as well. Ginger is also decreases chronic pain and even possesses cholesterol properties. Number 9. Papaya. Papaya is loaded with vitamin C. We can find daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single fruit. Papayas also have a digestive enzyme called pepin that has anti-inflammatory effects. Papayas have decent amount of potassium, magnesium and folate, of all beneficial to our overall health. Number 10. Basil. If you are looking for a natural way to boost your metabolism, basil may do the trick. Basil extract has even shown to help the inhabiting strains of bacteria that are unable to respond to antibiotics.